Hello, I'm Andreas, your tech-curious web designer, and welcome to this tutorial series, where we're going to build a TikTok clone, covering the front end and the back end. I will guide you through the whole process from scratch, so no previous knowledge of front end or back end development required. We will start by building the front end using HTML and CSS. As CSS framework, we will use TailwindCSS to add custom styles to our pages quickly on the fly. To add interactivity to the static pages, we will use Alpine.js, allowing us to create sliding and fading animations without writing any JavaScript ourselves. For the backend, we will use Python, the most popular programming language today, and Django, one of the most powerful web frameworks, to easily connect to the database and create dynamic, data-driven pages. And to create a modern application with a great user experience by making the front end communicate directly with the backend on the same page, we add Htmx as the middleman to the mix. This allows us to fetch data from the backend without reloading the page, all without writing any lines of JavaScript. So if you're specifically looking to learn JavaScript, then this might not be the right tutorial for you. But if you want to create a modern web application super fast and simply, then you came to the right place. We will have a lot of fun creating a TikTok clone and playing around with cool technologies. So if you like this, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon. This helps me to grow this channel and to reach more aspiring web developers. And if you want to support me, you can subscribe to my Patreon page and get access to exclusive content. Thank you so much. Okay, and now without further ado, let's have a look what we're going to build. In this series, we will build a TikTok clone. This is TikTok's landing page if you're not logged in. Here we see the options to log in, the standard one with email and username, but we will also add the options to log in with Facebook or with Google. Let's go to the login page. On TikTok you can also log in with your phone number, but we want to log in with email, so I click here. And this is the login page we're going to build. Then let's go to the sign up page. I click here sign up with email. And this is the sign up page. It has a month, day and year selector for the birthday and also a digital code submission to verify the email. Then let's log in now. The moment the input fields are filled out, the login button becomes active. And this is the homepage of TikTok, where we see a post stretching the full height of the page. We will see how we can post an image here, as well as a video. We can also change this to dark mode. For this we are going to the sidebar, click more, and then click dark mode. To see the comments for this page, we click this icon here. And this is the post page with the comment section on the right. Then we will also make pages we see here in the sidebar, the explore page, with category selection at the top, a following page to follow popular accounts, then we have a page to upload new posts, an activity section which shows notifications, messages for real-time chats, and also the profile page. Here we can edit the profile. This opens up a modal window. And we also have a settings page to manage the account. Alright, these are more or less the pages with the essential functionalities we are going to build. This was a very quick overview of what we're going to build in the series, and I hope you're joining me. In the next video, we start coding the login and sign up page with HTML and TailwindCSS. I look forward to see you there. Until then, stay curious my friends, and bye bye for now.